setting in a comfortable womb. About 1970, dusk, a full moon. The birth of a child that sees his first life, takes the first breath and picks up the steps, and then he's off with just a few things to pack, then on course. On a trail of trial and tribulation, on a few occasions I must admit I bust my ass, lost my way along the path, and then I did my math. Positive plus me is a match, and we've been going steady for a while. She says that she likes my style. We've been getting kinda wild, you know, but everybody can't be a rough rider unless you think that you got what it takes. I mean, you really gotta strive to stay alive and prepare yourself for the breaks. Look out. One time, that's all you get. And what we're gonna do for you, and the account, the amount, all the shit you've been through, we're gonna set you up. We'll grant you this 15 minutes and you shoot your gift. We got gods and demons placing stakes. Bet you sell your soul to take. And when it's said and done, I hope you're not another one with a common tale. How you just had fun, blew it all on the liquor and the ladies. Full ego, a shiny Mercedes. Had it all, but the soul don't shine. Just another name that fades in time. What you gonna do when your time comes by? How you gonna act when your curtains rise? It's all in the stars, and I hope that you learn. It's one time, learn. And game, lost they shine, torn out the frame. Now it's up to you, what you gonna do with this avenue that you passing through? The classic hits that's used for real, uplift those getting mass appeal. Forever gonna be shed light and shine. Maybe later on your story, VH1 at 9. One time, that's all you need.